Welcome to Math Challenge 546. In Math Challenge 546, we have a circle inside a square. A circle inscribed in a square and a small red square at the bottom left. A circle inside a square and a small red square at the bottom. A small red square at the bottom, and we have to find the area of the red square given circle radius equal to 4 units. A circle radius 4 units is inside a square, and you have at the left bottom corner a small red square, and we have to find the area of the red square. Math Challenge 546 for Olympiad and all competitive examinations, university entrance exams, and all numerical and quantitative aptitude tests. Math Challenge 546. And draw the horizontal diameter and the vertical diameter as shown. Radius is 4, so the diameter will be 8. The horizontal diameter 8 units, the vertical diameter 8 units. So each side of the square is 8 units. Each side of the square will be 8 units because the horizontal diameter is 8 units, vertical diameter is 8 units, radius 4, diameter 8. So when the diameter equal to 8, the side of the square is also 8. So each side of the square 8 units in length. Now draw the diagonal. You can see the blinking dotted line on the right side. The blinking dotted line, draw the diagonal. If each side of the square is 8 units, then the diagonal will be 8 root 2. Because diagonal of a square is given by root 2 into side. So this blinking dotted line, the diagonal will be 8 root 2 units. You can see the animated dotted line, the diagonal, which will be equal to root 2 into side, that is 8 root 2 units. So the diagonal, this dotted blinking line, the diagonal will be 8 root 2 units. So we got diagonal is 8 root 2. Now join the center of the circle to the corner x. The corner x as shown, the left bottom corner. So OX is half of the diagonal. The full diagonal is 8 root 2. So half of the diagonal OX will be 4 root 2. Right? This will be 4 root 2. The full diagonal is 8 root 2. So half of the diagonal OX will be 4 root 2. So OX is 4 root 2 units in length. So OX is 4 root 2. Now this OX is radius. Till the white part it is radius. Then in the red part it is the diagonal of the red square. So OX, which is 4 root 2, is actually radius plus diagonal of the red square. Radius is 4. Radius is 4. So OX is 4 plus diagonal of the red square. So the diagonal of the red square will be 4 root 2 minus 4. That is 4 bracket root 2 minus 1. 4 root 2 minus 4, that is 4 within bracket root 2 minus 1. So this diagonal of the red square is full 4 root 2 minus the radius 4. So 4 root 2 minus 4, factor out 4 into root 2 minus 1 units. That is the diagonal of the red square. So diagonal of the red square 4 into root 2 minus 1 units. So diagonal of the red square is 4 into root 2 minus 1. Now area of the square is given by half into diagonal whole square. Area of a square is half into diagonal square, that is half into this diagonal whole square. Now replace the value of root 2 by 1.414 and we get the required area of the square as 1.37 square units. Half into diagonal whole square, diagonal is 4 into root 2 minus 1. So half into diagonal square will give you 1.37 square units. 1.37 square units. That was Math Challenge 546. Follow our channel, subscribe to the channel, like and share the videos. We shall come back with more interesting problems for school level math, Olympiad math, university entrance exam math, and mathematics for all numerical and competitive exams. So we shall meet again. Till then, thank you and goodbye.